Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're taking a closer look at something a little outside the usual beauty realm, but it's an absolute game changer for anyone who spends long hours sitting. This is the Master Massage Ergonomic Saddle Chair, designed to provide comfort and support whether you're working in a salon, clinic, or even a workshop. Let's dive into whether this chair lives up to the hype and could be the upgrade your workspace desperately needs. The Master Massage Ergonomic Saddle Chair is a hydraulic swivel rolling chair designed for those who need maximum comfort and support throughout the day. The saddle seat design sets this chair apart from traditional office or salon chairs. It's built to reduce pressure on the spine, making it a great option for anyone who suffers from back pain or discomfort after sitting for long stretches. In terms of specifications, it features PU upholstery, which is both hypoallergenic and oil and waterproof, perfect for environments like spas or salons where spills are bound to happen. The pneumatic lift mechanism allows for easy height adjustment, ranging from 25 inches to 27.5 inches, so you can customize it to suit your workspace. The seat itself measures 18 by 16 inches, which gives a decent amount of room without feeling too bulky. It rotates a full 360 degree, making it versatile for movement in any direction, and its multi-layer foam offers a soft yet supportive feel, while the 5-year guarantee speaks to the durability of the materials. I've tested this chair in a couple of different settings, both in a professional beauty studio and a home office, and I have to say, the comfort factor is truly a standout feature. The saddle design really does relieve pressure on the lower back, especially during extended sitting sessions. I was skeptical at first about the design because it's quite different from what you might expect from a traditional office chair. But after using it for a few hours at a stretch, I noticed a significant reduction in discomfort compared to a regular chair. Another key selling point is its hydraulic lift system, which is smooth and responsive. Adjusting the height was effortless, whether I was moving from standing to sitting or adjusting to a lower height for more intricate tasks. Plus, the 360-degree rotation made it easy to shift from one side of my workspace to the other without having to move around. However, there are a couple of things to consider. While the chair is easy to assemble, it can feel a bit firm, especially if you're accustomed to softer cushions. The foam layers are designed to support your body without sinking in too much, but depending on your personal preference, it could feel a little stiff at first. Also, if you're someone who tends to sit with a lot of movement or shift positions frequently, the saddle design may take some getting used to, as it requires more effort to shift positions compared to a flat seat. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, the ergonomic design provides excellent back support, which makes it perfect for long hours. The materials feel durable, and the waterproof, hypoallergenic upholstery is a huge bonus for those working in environments that can get a bit messy. The height adjustment is a breeze, and the chair is impressively sturdy, supporting up to 550 pounds while only weighing 11 pounds itself. It's well built and designed to last. On the downside, it may not be the most comfortable if you prefer a plush sinking feeling in your seat, as the multi-layer foam can feel a bit firm. Also, while it's perfect for professional spaces like clinics and salons, it may not be the ideal option for someone looking for a traditional office chair for extended desk use, especially if you're someone who likes to lean back often. When it comes to value for money, this chair is priced on the higher end, but considering the quality of the materials, the ergonomic design, and the 5-year guarantee, it seems like a solid investment for those who spend a lot of time seated. The durability and design certainly justify the price tag, particularly if you're using it in a clinical, salon, or professional environment where comfort and posture are key. As for comparisons, if you're looking for something more budget-friendly, there are other rolling chairs out there that offer similar features, but without the specific ergonomic benefits. However, none I've found at this price point offer the same level of back support and overall durability, especially with the high weight capacity and multi-layer foam. So, if you're serious about investing in your comfort and posture, this could be worth the extra spend. The build quality is fantastic. The PU upholstery is not only hypoallergenic, but also easy to clean, which is essential in environments that need to maintain high hygiene standards. The frame is robust, and even though the chair is lightweight, it's built to support heavier weights without any issues. If you're curious about customer support, I haven't had direct contact with the company myself, but given the 5-year guarantee, it's clear they stand behind their product. The warranty is a great reassurance, especially for a product like this where you might be investing in long-term use. In terms of alternatives, if you're looking for something a bit cheaper, there are other ergonomic chairs available. However, many of them compromise on either the seat design or the build quality, so I'd only suggest alternatives if budget is your top priority. For those who want something that delivers on both comfort and durability, this saddle chair remains a solid choice. In conclusion, the Master Massage Ergonomic Saddle Chair offers excellent comfort and support for those who need to sit for long periods. Whether you're a salon professional, dentist, or even someone who spends extended hours at their workstation, its ergonomic design, sturdy build, and ease of use are impressive, making it a worthy investment for those seeking relief from back pain or discomfort. However, if you prefer something softer or more traditional, this may not be the perfect fit. If this review was helpful to you, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. If you've used this chair, drop a comment below and share your thoughts. I'd love to hear how it worked for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful, inside and out.